Well, all sorts of events coming up this next weekend, and
Yeah.
a lot of them being outdoors.
Right, yeah, we're going to talk about that too in a
Okay.
little bit. Right now, outdoors, cold, and a lot of
Right.
people are reporting about that too. They're sending me Facebook messages, and
Yeah.
also my daughter said, hey, it's cold outside, and it'll be even colder tomorrow morning, so make sure you dress your kids up appropriately. It's not going to be freezing cold like we saw last week, and it looks like temperatures, though, will be feeling like into the low 40s, which is cold for Florida. This is a nice warm shot here on KCK webcam. Showing a little bit high surf out there too as a result of the winds that have been strong out of the east and northwest, I should say, and turning to the east now tomorrow. And there's a nice sunset. A glimmer of that. We saw some of that. Now some photos came in as well to pics at mysuncoast.com. This one from KCK. Wow, that's a great shot with that wave breaking right as it crashed ashore. And let's go back to that if we can. We'll show the next one. It just kind of jumped along. Anyway, this is a 2-for-1 shot. We got two suns. Kathy Bixby sending that one in from Manatee Beach and Venice. Bradford Voss getting the pier there. And as far as our weather headlines go, well, here's what they read like. Chilly Thursday morning, we talked about that, and also it's going to stay dry through Saturday, so Saturday looks really good, and then a cold front arrives now, and notice this word I put late Sunday now, and that means things are changing a little bit as far as the timing goes. I knew this would happen as we get closer to that day. The models are starting to become more in agreement as far as what the timing is concerned. Still, there's a lot of ifs with that, but right now it looking better for that big event taking place at the Ringling Grounds there. Some showers to the north of us, but high pressure at the surface will knock any kind of threat of showers in our area, and we're going to see dry air around too. There's not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so that jet stream will stay basically to our north. We'll see some of the high clouds now and again. You can see that patch with the last frame there at 11 o'clock. Quite a bit of high-level clouds moving in off the coast there. That may keep temperatures a little bit warmer, but it's still going to feel pretty chilly out there. The dew point has actually come up a little bit at 47 degrees. Winds are out of the northeast at 10. Pressure is extremely high, 30-26. That continues to rise. The high today real quick, 71 right at the average, the record 85. And as far as temperatures go, you can see much colder over the northern two-thirds of the state as opposed to Miami, 73 there, 68 in Key West, 47 in Pensacola. Around town, Braden at 54, Mayaca City a couple degrees warmer, Northport you're at 57, Inglewood 56, Venice 55 degrees, Sarasota at 54, Lakewood Ranch now is at 53 degrees and 56 in Cortez, Braden at 54. The Gulf water temperature has cooled now to 59. Well, here's what tomorrow looks like. We'll start off with some high clouds around. It will be cool, noticeably cooler. And then we'll warm up just slightly below average up to the upper 60s by 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. So there should be no problem for drop-off, pick-up, or whatever you may be doing tomorrow throughout the day. As I mentioned, those high clouds could be around throughout the day, but we're not anticipating any rainfall around. And notice what happens. Those winds shift more to an easterly direction as the high builds off the southeast United States. That easterly flow will warm us up, actually. We'll get back into the mid-70s in some places on Friday. And that cold Arctic air is set to come back down now and plunge into the northern plain states. It feels like 5 in Minot, 14 in Minneapolis. They had a little break there for a while, but things are about to change big time as highs tomorrow will be still rather mild. But as I mentioned, there's a large area of very cold air set to move in, and it will do so, especially over the weekend. You can see it right there kind of moving off to the east. And then this one comes in for, you guessed it, just in time for Super Bowl. We're talking Super Bowl with high temperatures there at around 10 degrees in Minneapolis. So that could be very cold walking there from the hotel to the game there. 20 knot winds northeast, becoming down to 10 later in the day. Choppy conditions on the bays and inland waters. Well, here's a look now at the 7-day forecast. So we have a 68-degree high tomorrow, 74 on Friday. Pretty nice Friday. Should see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Then increasing clouds late Saturday. It should still be a very nice day, 76 for a high. Now Sunday, what's changed is the rain chances lessen throughout the day, more so in the afternoon. I checked the 2 reliable models. They're indicating that the rain starts after 4 o'clock now. And in fact, the European starts after around 6, 7 o'clock. That would be good news for the big Forks and Corks now. 40% chance rain now comes into Monday morning as well. We only cool down slightly, so things are looking better, Jacqueline. Back to you.
Okay, looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Bob.